I don't want to frighten people, but I think a best situation is to have a good offense and not always be on the defense. We need to start shaping the issues. For example, I came out in support of raising the minimum wage. Our poorest folks getting $7.25 an hour are in poverty for most family composition. Family of 3 getting minimum wage gets $15,500 a year. The poverty rate for a family of 3 is $19,100, I believe it is. So I think we need to start bringing the issue to the table instead of letting the Republicans dominate. And I think, we need to bring in the heartstring issues. How can you take away the funding for free and reduced meals for poor children who are trying to stay in school and learn? That's just a horrible thing that they did. And you here in Sweetwater already have your summer feeding program to try to keep these poor kids fed. So I think we need to be the first and make them respond to us for a change.